Here we're out. It's a little windy today. A little cool too. 56 Fahrenheit. You guys a little more active today. Oh, that squirrel! Oh, that squirrel! You saw before I did. He's up in this tree here, girl. See if we can see him. Here, yeah. Hold on. Oh. Where are you going? Come here. I'm trying to get this girl here in this tree. Lucy. Lucy. Barkley. Don't fight against me. Oh well. Can't see him. Come on. This way, Barkley. We're running. She usually sees him out here. That's why she's running out here. But he's over in that tree. Yeah, I don't see no more now. You guys lost that squirrel. You looking for him? Is he down there somewhere? There go, be silly. Come on, we can walk around again maybe. You guys didn't use the bathroom yet. Unless you're going to use it in the front yard. Grass gonna need cut pretty soon. Oh, they got wound up. Better found a bug. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. We don't have to go around now. Somebody used it. Good boy, Barkley. Go in the house. Come on. Oh, we'll do it again next time.